Performance management software is a vital tool for any business looking to grow. It simplifies how we track goals, provide feedback, and keep our teams engaged, making a real impact on productivity and morale. To help your business find the right solution, we have rounded up the 5 best performance management software options available today. We will look at how each one can help your team reach its full potential and keep everyone moving in the right direction. Teamflect is our #1 choice if you operate in Microsoft Teams. When it comes to performance management, Teamflect stands out by removing one of the biggest barriers teams face: adoption. Instead of introducing yet another platform, it works directly within Microsoft Teams and Outlook, making it instantly accessible without extra logins or switching tabs. This alone makes a noticeable difference in how consistently teams engage with it. The interface feels familiar right away, with a clean layout that organizes everything into clear sections like Home, Objectives, Meetings, Tasks, and Reviews. Navigation is straightforward, and features like surveys, feedback, and recognitions are easy to access without digging through menus. Goal tracking is another strong point. Whether you're working with OKRs or KPIs, Teamflect allows goals to cascade from company-level strategies down to individual contributors. This ensures alignment across the board, and with visual progress indicators, it's easy to spot what's on track and what needs attention. What we really liked about Teamflect is that their performance reviews are just as flexible, offering customizable templates and built-in 360-degree feedback. You can automate review cycles, collect insights from multiple sources, and even rely on AI to summarize results and highlight trends. Combined with real-time feedback, structured meetings, and recognition tools, everything connects into one continuous performance loop. Also, we have to talk about the Teamflect Agent, which is their AI-powered HR assistant. This isn't just a basic chatbot that answers yes or no questions. This assistant lives inside Teams and actually understands your company's specific data, including performance history, goals, and survey results. As for the pricing, they have a free plan with up to 10 users, providing comprehensive performance management features. For bigger teams and more advanced features, they offer essential and professional plans, which are also very well priced. Last but not least, their enterprise package offers enterprise-grade security features such as bring your own key, dedicated cloud infrastructure, white glove implementation support, and more with custom pricing. For teams already working within the Microsoft ecosystem, Teamflect feels less like an added tool and more like a natural extension of how work already gets done. Moving forward, we come across Leapsome, a platform that prides itself on being an all-in-one home for people enablement. It uses a bit of artificial intelligence to help managers write better feedback, but it keeps the human spirit at the center of the process. This platform is very flexible, which we like. Whether a team is small or growing fast, Leapsome can be shaped to fit the way they work. It offers 360-degree feedback, meaning we can hear from everyone, our bosses, our peers, and even those we lead. This gives a full picture of how a person is contributing to the whole. They also have a strong focus on engagement surveys, helping us take the pulse of the team to see if spirits are high or if there's a chill in the air that needs addressing. It's a very visual tool with dashboards that show progress in a way that is easy for the eyes to follow. While it can be a bit more expensive than some other options, the depth of features it offers for learning and development makes it a powerful ally for those who are serious about building a culture of continuous growth and wisdom. Next, we turn our eyes to BambooHR. It's much more than just performance software. It's a full HR house. However, its performance side is very simple and clean, which we find quite refreshing. The way BambooHR sets up its goals is very straightforward. It allows us to see what needs to be done and how we're doing it without any extra noise. We also like their Get to Know You features and employee satisfaction surveys. These tools help us understand the heart of our people, not just their output. It uses a Net Promoter Score score to see how happy folks are at work, which is a good way to catch problems before they grow too large to handle. Because BambooHR handles everything from hiring to retiring, it keeps all the information about an employee in one secure bundle. This means we don't have to go searching through different files to see how someone has grown over the years. Overall, BambooHR is a good choice to consider. Continuing our path, we find Performyard. It gives us the tools to build the review process that fits our own unique rhythm. Whether we want to do quarterly check-ins, annual reviews, or continuous feedback, this platform can handle it all with ease. It gathers all the feedback and goal progress into one clear view for managers. This makes it much easier to have honest conversations about promotions or where someone might need more training. The pricing is also very clear, usually starting at $5 per user per month for the performance features, which is very helpful for those keeping a close eye on their resources. It helps everyone feel connected to the company's mission, no matter how far apart they may be physically. While the interface is simple, the engine underneath is strong enough to support large organizations with complex needs, making it a versatile partner in our work. Finally, we arrive at Perdoo, a platform that is deeply rooted in the philosophy of OKRs and strategy. It's very focused on alignment, making sure that every team and every person is pulling in the same direction. This is very important for making sure no energy is wasted on tasks that don't help the whole community. We can see our long-term goals and then see the smaller key results that lead to them. It has a very clean look that doesn't distract us with things we don't need. It also offers great resources and coaching to help us learn how to set better goals, which shows they care about our success beyond just selling us a software subscription. For those of us who feel like their team is busy but not moving forward, Perdoo offers a way to find that focus again. It encourages a culture of transparency where everyone can see what is important and how they're helping. Choosing the right software is about finding the tool that fits your team's unique spirit and needs. If your organization runs on Microsoft 365 and Teams adoption is non-negotiable, choose Teamflect. But if you don't operate in Microsoft environment, consider other options. Take time to look at your goals and how you talk to each other. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insights into the tools that help us grow. Thanks for watching.